your friend wanted to help you celebrate your birthday in a special message by receiving this message. So again, happy birthday to you. I celebrated a milestone birthday in 2020 and I loved it. But I know that there's something about getting older that makes some people feel apprehensive. Mark Twain has a fantastic quote, and this is what he says: "Do not complain about growing old. It is a privilege denied to many." I remember hearing this quote at the friend of my friend's funeral for her husband, and it had a huge impact on my life. Birthdays aren't guaranteed, and so we don't get the option of whether or not we get to be here. We do get the option of what that life is going to look like while we have it. And so it breaks my heart that many people let birthdays bother them. But I used to be like that too. When I turned 30, I had a very hard time with it. I mean, just think about birthdays when we were kids. We looked forward to the day we became an official teenager, the day we turned 16 and could get our driver's license, and the day we turned 18 and legally became adults. Those were things that we looked forward to. And I've heard people say, after 21, it doesn't matter. It's all downhill from there. No, we have so much to look forward to. And so what is the first step to create change is through our mindset. We need to create joy and happiness in order to make our birthdays special. And I'm speaking to all the adults listening right now, so make the most of your birthday. Now, here are 3 ways to turn a dreaded birthday into a positive celebration. Number 1, start a new birthday tradition. For most of us, birthdays are celebrated by going out to dinner or having a special meal at home. And there's nothing wrong with that, but it's a great way to spend time with people you love. So nothing wrong with that. But if you've kind of been bored with the last couple of years and feeling like, it's just going to be the same thing over and over again, what if you started a new tradition this year? Maybe instead of spending money on a night out, you could get your friends and family together to volunteer with you at a charity. Or maybe you'd rather have a night in. Your new tradition could be watching your favorite movie or rereading your favorite book. Here's my birthday tradition that I started a few years ago. I actually love this. Love. I actually spend the day in bed. I only get up to eat and open presents from Doug, and that is all I do is watch movies all day. On my last birthday, I actually watched 5 movies in one day. And let me tell you, it was fantastic because it's something that I would never do on a regular basis. I'm always going, I'm always running. And so for me, this was a perfect way to relax and really to celebrate and make the day special. So I encourage you to do that for yourself. Number 2, spend some time reflecting and setting goals. Let's say you're turning 42 this year. I encourage you to pull out a journal and write down 42 great memories that happened since your last birthday. There's no way that you can be in a bad mood after writing down 42 great memories. You can also treat your birthday like New Year's. Most people set New Year's resolutions that start on January 1st. But unless January 1st is also your birthday, why not make your birthday the day that you set goals and resolutions for the next 12 months? And lastly, number 3, share gratitude for the past year. Birthdays are normally all about you, and that's okay, but this can make many people uncomfortable. So turn that around and instead try showing gratitude for others on your birthday. Take time on your birthday to thank everyone that has helped you, has supported you, or was there for you in the past year. And share your gratitude through social media, text messages, cards, or even phone calls. And you can even reach out to people with who you have lost touch with. This is a great way to take attention off of yourself, especially if the attention makes you feel uncomfortable, and spread more joy to other people. So I hope these ideas have helped you. So tell me, what are you going to do to make your next birthday even better? Tell me in the comments below.